Shalom and welcome. This is Roxanne. I'm a member at Temple Beth Ora, and today I'm going to walk you through signing in and changing your password for the first time on your new ShowCloud account. Alrighty, so what you're going to do is refer to the email that we sent you out today that has a temporary password that you'll use to log into the site for the first time. So what we'll get you to do is go to templebethora.org, and you'll see that it brings you to a site that looks just like this, and you're going to click Login in the top corner. You're going to put in the email address that we sent the email to today, and as well you're going to put in the temporary password that we included in that email. So when you do that, then you're going to click Sign In, and then it'll just change to welcome and your name at the top. You see it says test account because we're on our test account today to show you how things work. But otherwise it should say your name, okay? If it doesn't, please contact the office. We'll get that changed for you. So you'll click that button. It says My Account. You're going to click My Account, and it's going to take you to the control board where you have all access to all your personal information within ShowCloud. But what we want to do is change your password now. So what you'll do is you'll go to My Profile. That's this tile right here. You're going to click on that, and then you'll see that it has all your personal information, and we're just going to scroll right to the bottom where it says View and Edit Your Profile. It's right there. You'll click that button, and it'll bring up your login email and then the password. So you don't have to put your old password in that we sent you. You just got to type in a new one, confirm the password by typing it in, and then scroll all the way to the bottom. Click Save Changes to Person right here. Once that happens, it'll say Profile Saved like it does right here. And if it doesn't say Profile Saved, just scroll to the bottom and click View and Edit Your Profile and do it again. Sometimes it just doesn't pull through all the way through the system, so sometimes it needs a second try. Thank you so much for listening. Have a great day.